So today we're gonna draw an inscribed angle, and we're gonna draw first of all an inscribed triangle, and then show one inscribed angle and then one central angle and show the measures. Or we're gonna draw an inscribed quadrilateral in a circle and then make sure you will show the angles, okay? So as to show that opposite angles are supplementary. So the first thing, you draw your circle, and then make sure you draw your triangle. You pick triangle, then you go around to show that this is a triangle. Then you make sure you show the angles. You click 3 times on each guys here. This angle is shown here, and then you have this angle, and then the last angle here. And when you add these 3 numbers, 69 plus 63, that's 132. And 132 plus 48, that's 180, meaning the sum of all angles here is 180. And we also you pick segment, and then you decide to have a line segment that will pass through the center and here. So this new line I just put here is, let me change the color to show. So this orange line here is a radius. You're gonna have another radius again here to here. And then you pick angle, tap here, tap here, tap here. So you're gonna have this angle here. So what do you see? What do we observe? Let me change the color of this guy first, okay. And then this, I'm gonna label it as, since the angle there is at the center, so it's gonna be called central angle. And then here, the angle that is formed here gonna be called inscribed angle, because it's, the vertex there is on this circle. So here, this is the first activity you needed to do. You can as well, make it something very nice by, labeling this guy here as an arc. But if you stop it without putting arc there, it doesn't, you're still gonna have your full credit. The second one is having a circle. And then make sure you click on polygon again. This time around, hit on the circle 4 times at different points, second, third, and then fourth. So you click again to show that you have a 4-sided figure on, and all the 4 vertices are on the circle. So this is an inscribed quadrilateral. Then click on angle. Hit here, hit 3 times on each of these vertices to show the angles. Then I'm gonna hit here again, type here, tap here, show this angle, then tap here, tap here, tap here. Then, opposite angles are supplementary. So this is what shows it. As you can see, this angle here is opposite to this angle. So when you add these 2 numbers, that will be 180. So they are said to be supplementary. Also, this green angle here and this angle here, when you add them, they add up to 180. They equate 180 because 111 plus 69 is 180. So they are also said to be supplementary. Here, this angle, this angle, this angle add up to 180 because in a triangle, the sum of angle is 180, okay? And another thing you could show is maybe just pick an arc. Since this is the arc that intersect this, these 2 angles, the central and the 2 angles, so you can then pick that to say here, you click on this and then you change color to show the arc that intersect both of them, the red arc, okay? And here too, it's possible, but you can also, we're gonna also decide to show the central angle here. Does it really need? Okay, no, we don't really need it here. So just leave this one like that. So you might decide to leave this one like this. Let me just delete what I just put it. To delete something, highlight on it and then click on delete. And another one you could have done out of curiosity is have your circle and then draw a right triangle inside it. So to draw a right triangle, you know, your one of the side has to pass through the center, and then this. So once you hit again, you're gonna have your triangle, and then let's see if it's right or not. Let's check out the angles. That angle is 44. This angle here is 44 as well. Then let's check this angle below here. It's 91. So we need to adjust it to make it. So it means, as you can see, this one doesn't pass through, the diameter doesn't really pass through the center. So I need to shift it a little bit. Okay, then here we have a right angle in a circle. So this is an inscribed right triangle. So you might just label it by, you know, just label it through the center by saying inscribe the right triangle. And this guy too, in there to label it, you can just say here inscribed quadrilateral. Then once you are done with, you know, just one, you need only one of these two guys. Once you are done, make sure you take a screen, and then your name must show somewhere here. Or if your your name doesn't show here, make sure, you know, any of the work you do. For example, this one here, instead of labeling, just put your name as maybe Yasmin. And then
Okay, my computer like started making a really weird sound and like shut off, so I missed the last thing you did. That last triangle one.
the last triangle here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you need to draw a circle, and then you pick polygon, and make sure you click on this dot, then pass through the center of the circle. Make sure the line is really on the circle, okay, but on the center, and then move towards, and because to draw a triangle, you need 3 points, okay? Then when you click here and join to there, clicking twice means you are joining all of three together, all three points together to form a triangle. Then to show that this triangle is a right triangle, one of the angles has to be 90 degrees, okay? Click on angle, then hit on each of these 3 points. So, oh, I went outside. So one angle is 42. You click again here to show the other angle. And once you click here, you click on the third 3 times, you know, it shows this angle. So I'm gonna delete the angle I put outside here. Just click on it and then click on delete. Oh. Anyway, I can leave it like that, but I just need to change the color of my triangle. Click on, you know, you highlight what you want to change the color to orange. Highlight this, change the color, highlight this, and change the color. Then, you know, this guy here, since this angle is 90, that means this triangle is inscribed and it's a right triangle. Then you might, out of curiosity, you might just decide to call this guy diameter, so that someone that doesn't really understand what's going on can also say that, okay, the diameter here is this line, and then, you know, just take a screenshot and send it to me. Is that how you do this, or you do the first one here, with this triangle and then inscribe angle, central angle, or just choose this one, the one with the four-sided figure, the second circle, and make sure you name this triangle as well, you know. And if to show that this is your work, you might just try to click any of these points and then click on label and put your name, Yasmin. And if we have many Yasmin here, to distinguish yourself, just put, you know, your initial, your last name as the initial. Okay, I will know you're the one. Or you just put Yasmin first period. Then I will know you're the one. And then take a screenshot and send it to me. So that's how we have for ourselves today.
Okay.